A P0420 code means the catalytic converter on bank 1 is not operating efficiently. When this happens, the check engine light turns on, and emissions performance is affected. Although a failing catalytic converter is a common cause, sensor issues, engine problems, or exhaust leaks can also trigger this code. Proper diagnosis is essential before replacing expensive components. Understand what P0420 means and why it triggers. Start by knowing how the system works. Your vehicle uses two oxygen sensors, one before and one after the catalytic converter, to monitor exhaust gases. Normally, these sensors should read differently. If both O2 sensors read similar values, the onboard diagnostics will flag code P0420 and turn on the CEL, thinking the converter isn't doing its job. This could truly mean the converter is less effective, but it can also be a false alarm from sensor or engine issues. Remember, P0420 doesn't automatically mean replace the cat. It indicates an efficiency problem in the catalytic converter system that we need to investigate. Number 1. Check for engine problems that can cause P0420. Before blaming the converter, ensure the engine itself is running properly. Issues like engine misfires or incorrect fuel mixture can lead to a P0420. Why? A misfiring cylinder or an overly rich mixture sends unburned fuel into the exhaust, which can overheat and damage the catalytic converter. Likewise, running too rich or too lean can allow residue to accumulate and choke the converter. If your car has been stumbling, running rough, or using too much fuel, address that first. Check spark plugs and ignition components for misfires. Ensure sensors like the coolant temperature sensor and mass airflow sensor are working correctly. Bad inputs can make the engine run rich and harm the cat. Fix any underlying engine performance issues before concluding the converter is bad, because those issues might be the real cause of the P0420 code. Number 2. Inspect the oxygen sensors and their signals. Faulty oxygen sensors can be mistaken for a bad converter. The downstream O2 sensor is the one that reports on catalytic efficiency. If that sensor is lazy or giving incorrect readings, it can trick the computer into thinking the converter has failed. The upstream sensor must also be accurate, since it's the reference point. Use an OBD2 scanner to watch the O2 sensor readings if possible. An aging O2 sensor may respond slowly. Sometimes replacing a tired downstream sensor will clear a P0420 code if the sensor was the culprit. Also inspect the wiring and connectors for the O2 sensors. A damaged wire or corroded connector can cause erratic readings. In summary, rule out O2 sensor problems and their wiring before assuming the catalytic converter itself is bad. Number 3. Look for exhaust leaks. Even a small exhaust leak can throw off sensor readings and trigger a P0420 code. How so? If there's a leak ahead of the catalytic converter, say a crack in the exhaust manifold or a leaky gasket, extra oxygen can enter the exhaust flow. The downstream O2 sensor may detect that extra oxygen and interpret it as the converter underperforming. Inspect for any exhaust leaks around the manifold, flex pipe, or flanges near the converter. Sooty marks or a ticking sound at startup can indicate a leak. Fixing any leaks might instantly cure the P0420 code. Remember, even a tiny leak can trigger this code, so it's worth sealing up any exhaust system cracks before moving on. Number 4. Evaluate the catalytic converter's condition. Now consider the catalytic converter itself. Converters can fail due to age, overheating, or contamination. Signs of a bad converter include a rotten egg smell from the exhaust or a rattling sound from the converter. In some cases, a converter can become poisoned by contaminants. For instance, burning oil or a coolant leak can introduce substances that coat the catalyst and stop it from working. If the converter is clogged or melted, you might also notice poor engine performance or excessive heat from the exhaust. At this stage, if you suspect the cat is bad, you likely will need a replacement, but only after verifying the prior steps. Fix issues in order easiest first. Once you've identified potential causes, address them methodically. It's smart to follow a priority list. Fix the simple things before the expensive ones. Start with repairing any exhaust leaks. This costs little and might resolve the code outright. Next, Consider the oxygen sensors if one is suspect. Replace it. Then make sure the engine is tuned up. No misfires, correct fuel pressure, clean air filter, etc. Many P0420 cases are solved by things like replacing a faulty O2 sensor or spark plug or cleaning a dirty MF sensor that was skewing the fuel mixture. Experts recommend this general checklist for P0420. 1. Fix exhaust leaks. 2. Test replace O2 sensors. 3. Check fuel mixture and trim. 4. Ensure no ignition fuel misfires. And only then, 5. Suspect the catalytic converter. Following this order can save you from needlessly replacing a costly converter. Replace the catalytic converter if needed. If you've tackled everything else and PS0420 still won't go away, it may be time for a new catalytic converter. Before committing to that, be absolutely sure other causes have been eliminated. Mechanics caution never to replace parts blindly without confirming the cause of the problem. Some people have wasted money on a new converter when the real issue was a sensor or even a software glitch. But if your converter is truly bad, replacement is the solution. Install a quality replacement catalytic converter. Once it's installed, clear the code and drive normally so the OBD system can run its self-check. With a healthy new CAT, the P0420 should finally stay cleared. Know when to seek professional help. P0420 can be a stubborn code. If you've tried the above steps and the code persists, or if you don't have access to diagnostic tools, seeking help from a professional is wise. Repair shops have advanced scan tools to perform live diagnostics, such as graphing the O2 sensor signals to definitively see if the catalytic converter is bad. They can also perform a CAT efficiency test or measure back pressure to check for a clogged converter. Fixing P0420 can be challenging and often requires the right tools and know-how, so if you lack those, it's best to let professionals handle it. By getting a proper diagnosis, you can avoid wasting money on unnecessary parts and ensure the real problem is resolved. Once fixed, that check engine light will stay off, and your vehicle's emissions will be back within standards.